Sweet Sue cooking up today. We have coffee cake. Stay tuned till the end of the video. We have some very nice clips of some luscious cakes. Stay tuned here for our recipe for coffee cake. First we're going to start with oil and butter. It's a very simple recipe that you can do this at home. We're going to measure out 4 eggs. We're going to beat the eggs until they're fluffy. Please remember to subscribe and like. And add this to a saucepan. 1 tablespoon of butter. Some chocolate squares. You can do unsweetened or sweetened. Just make sure you add your own sweetener. We're going to heat this until everything melts and it's a nice consistency. We're going to add a cup of sugar. You can add whatever sugar that you want. Vanilla, lemon rind. I'm going to mix all this up. Cup of oil and butter. Yogurt, about a cup. Any flavor. Three cups of any flour that you choose. Vanilla. I'm going to add this to the mixture. Until we have our batter. We're going to slowly add in our whipped eggs. And just take your time on the recipe. It'll turn out perfect. We're just going to add different scoopfuls to get everything real fluffy. And I love coffee cake. It's not too sweet. It's perfect to have with tea or coffee. We're going to add all this together with our cocoa. We're going to put it in the oven for 40 minutes. And we can use a bundt pan. You can also just put in a cake pan. We're going to add our chocolate mixture on the top. And then the rest of our batter. Just kind of for a layered look. And we're going to sprinkle on, you can put coconut or sliced almonds. Just kind of swirl it with a skewer or a toothpick. and into the oven. And here it is. It looks beautiful. Very swirled on the top. And very full. We hope you enjoyed the video today. I have some cake clips for you here to watch. And practice this recipe over and over until you get it perfected. And please tune in to our other cooking up videos on my channel. We have village cooking, we have desserts, and regular recipes. So please check out our playlist and enjoy your day. Thank you for tuning in, and please like, subscribe, and share the video, and so others will see it. And stay tuned, I have some more clips coming up. So I hope you have a nice day. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Sweet Sue, and I'm cooking amazing recipes. We have village cooking that it's cooked on the outdoors, open an open fire. These are amazing recipes to watch. Like this one, for example, it's stringing batter into very hot oil. And this can be flavored into like onion rings, or you could do like not potato chips, but like batter chips. And then you can also have it as a dessert underneath fruit, like it's a little cookie or a cake. So this is a very unique type of cooking where it cooks very fast and it's made out of a batter cooked outside over either an open fire or a very hot stove. We have recipes from start to finish. If you like these recipes and also enjoy watching our videos with village people and different other recipes such as stir fry and also air frying, then please consider subscribing. Simply click my picture to the right side of the screen on the bottom, and you will see all of our recent uploads. We appreciate it, and it will grow our channel.